Hello everybody, Aerfox here. Before I start this video, I just want to thank the Insiders and Samsung for giving me the opportunity to unbox the Samsung POWERbot R7070. So, it's one of those robot vacuums. This is one of the, I guess you would say, like the middle of the line power backs. It's a pretty big box, you know. I would say that it's a contender for width-wise a flatbed's body. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Actually, got the pull tabs out. Ooh, look at the packaging. Well-packed material right there. All right. We got our power adapter. Oh, look, it comes with a remote. Actually, you guys can't see the remote. But I'll show you guys the remote. Here's the remote. Back in the little sleeve. It does come with a washable filter, so you can reuse the filter. I gotta look it up what the lifespan is on filter. This magnetic looking strip. The actual RoboVac itself. Instructions. We don't need that. Double A batteries, which I'm going to assume is for the remote. And its home base, which is actually pretty light. Alright, let's go ahead and get this out of this packaging. Here it is. Here's the device itself. Get this plastic off of it. This thing does have a glossy finish, so it's about to become a dust magnet. Look how pretty it is and shiny. There you go. So you can see the bottom side. This would be the rollers. These would be the wheels, in which they call the easy wheels. So if you have multiple surfaces in the room, let's say you start off with like tile, and then you have like a carpet on top of the tile or something like that, it'll be easier to navigate over that surface and go back down. Let's go and get that. It's got cyclone force technology. So here you go. This is going to be the canister that you have to empty out. I already got fingerprints all over this. Be sure to remove before using. What? This is the handle. Alright. What else you got? So, yeah. Here's the home base. Oh, power brick. Like I said, the remote. This strip-like material. and the washable filter. So that's what you get inside the box. Just a couple little things about the device itself. It's got 40 times more suction power compared to the Samsung's conventional other RoboVacs. It's got visionary mapping technology, so when it goes into a room, it has a sensor up in the front, so it visually maps the room, so it can optimize the pathway it takes of vacuuming, and then make sure that it doesn't bump into any of the objects. It's got Wi-Fi connectivity, so you could hook up to your Wi-Fi. You could either control it by remote, or you could have it run on schedule by downloading the application onto your smartphone. So if you have an Android device or an iPhone, you download that application, and then you can set up schedules for the device itself. It is also compatible with Samsung's Bixby AI, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. It's got an edge clean master, so like most corners within home don't have like round edges. So what this device is able to do, it has like this little. If you look, how it's got the rectangular form. It has like this little gadget that pops out, so it can like get up close to the edge and then pull it back into the suction rollers. Let's see. This model has a self-cleaning brush, so if you have a person with long hair or pets, it'll be able to, like when it rolls up into the roller, it's able to untangle itself by itself without you having to pull out the rollers itself and then having to pull it all out. It's got 90 minutes of processing run time, which is great for small homes and townhomes. It automatically will go back to this home to get it charged up, so it could go back and continuously cleaning. But let's say if you have two double stories, I would recommend getting two multiple units for within your home, so you can have one for upstairs and one for downstairs. But unless you want to carry it up and down, which it isn't a heavy unit, it only weighs about 10 pounds, so it's light. You know, you can give it to little Jimmy, and then he can haul it for you upstairs if you'd like him to. This concludes my unboxing video. Come back next week for the full-on review of the unit. My main floor is wooden, and then my upper floor is carpet, so we get a good feel of how well the suction is between both floors. I just want to thank Samsung again, by the way of the insiders, for giving me the opportunity to review this product. Until next time, bye!